Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, maybe you want to sell it, give it away, or maybe you'd want to try to fix it. That's the last thing, that's the last resort thing rather, because it will remove all of your data and settings from your watch, but you could try to factory reset the watch to fix some stuff on it. Okay, so let's get started. And to factory reset our watch, we need to first check the battery level. Make sure that the battery is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now, let's continue with the reset. So let's open the menu by pressing the Chrome button, scroll through it. Let me just go through the tutorial because apparently you can't skip it. Okay, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and then tap on it. In the menu, or in the settings rather, scroll down and look for the option called the other. And once you find it, tap on it, and here look for the option called disconnect and reset. Here we have it. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete, which will take at least a minute, I would say, or maybe a bit less. Let's just wait. Okay, and once you see the hello message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.